The flexibility of a CHP plant is a crucial factor that can be used for grid balancing. There are three approaches to the electricity market. Can you explain them in details?
Yeah, so CHPs are flexible assets. It means that they can adapt their power output, and this can be very useful in the energy system. And there's three ways how CHPs can use their flexibility. First of all, proactively. So it means that they adapt their power output based on price signals. So they shift their production to moments where the prices are higher, for example. A second way is what we usually call active balancing. So they actively help the grid operator keep the balance in the electricity system. These are the products called primary reserve, secondary reserve, tertiary reserve. And then thirdly, there is reactive balancing, which means that assets are going to respond or react to the imbalanced prices.
Can you give us a practical example of active approach? In particular, can you focus on the Elias pilot project and its development?
Yeah. So one of the most interesting balancing products is the secondary reserve products. That's a product that usually is provided by very big gas-fired power plants. But now grid operators in Europe are investigating whether it can also be provided by decentralized flexible assets like CHPs. And so Elia ran a pilot 2 summers ago where we also participated with a group of 22 CHPs. And we have proven there that it's perfectly possible to reliably provide secondary reserves.
What's in it for the CHP owner?
The nice thing about providing balancing to the system, especially when you do active balancing for the grid operator, is that you also get remunerated for that. So the grid operator is going to pay market parties for delivering these services to the system. Usually you get actually 2 payments, one just for being there, and then another one on top in case you're really activated and you get your fuel costs or your opportunity costs paid back.